What's up, guys? Welcome back. So we learned about how charges move. Let's talk about how they are stored. Now, the simplest device for storing charges is called the Electrophorus. Now, this was invented more than 250 years ago. So what does this Electrophorus look like? Now, an Electrophorus is made up of two parts. It has a base that is made of an insulating material like a plastic, and a metal plate which has a handle that is made of an insulator. So let's try to look at how this works. So first, we need to create a charge. So what is the easiest way to create a static charge on a plastic base? By friction. Remember that by rubbing 4 on a plastic base, we will cause a negative charge to accumulate on the base. Next, we bring the metal plate close to the insulator or the insulating base, which will repel the negative charges on the surface of the metal plate and will attract the positive charges. Remember that this process is called electrostatic induction. Now, all we have to do is to separate the charges. So to do this, we will simply touch the insulator handle and will thereby conduct the negative charges through our body to the earth. So this process of moving charges from an object to the earth through our body is called earthing or grounding. Now, as a result, we now have a negatively charged base and a positively charged metal plate. Now, this metal plate can be used for several purposes, especially if we want to transfer a positive charge from one object to another. And this can be done either by conduction or by induction. Remember again that the insulator base still has the negative charge, so the induction process can be repeated over and over again to produce more positive charges on the metal plate. But if this was done in vacuum, we could still repeat this process forever. But in reality, the charge on the base will gradually be lost to the surrounding air and also other materials over a couple of days. Now, if this happens, all we have to do is to repeat our process all over again. So once again, do you remember what are the steps to creating and storing a charge on an electrophorus? Let's go over this. We said first, we have to create a negative charge on the base by what? Friction. Next, we use induction to cause the negative charges and positive charges on the metal plate. And finally, we said we'll separate the charges by what is called earthing. And this earthing is done by touching the metal plate, thereby allowing the negative charges to flow through us to the earth. So we will do more in the next lesson. I will be there to see you guys. Bye for now.